video, I'm going to show you Adho mukha Shvanasana or downward dog. This yoga posture has awesome benefit. It will stretch and strengthen your body. Till now, whatever the videos I have uploaded for yoga, those postures will give you a good stretch for your body. But this one, it will make your body strong. At the same time, it will give you a good stretch. Now let me tell you what are the benefits of this asana. It really make your body strong. As I told you, it will create a good strength in your upper body. Also, it will stretch your legs and lower back, and it stimulates the abdominal organs, so good for your liver, kidney, and whatever the organs we have in this area is good for that. Other than that, as we will bend down our head while doing this asana, so our brain gets a good circulation. Therefore, it's good for to reduce the stress. Okay, so let's get started. But before starting, I'll tell you one thing, that who has shoulder injury, wrist injury, or any injury in the neck, they should take their doctor's advice before trying this posture. Also, if anyone has hip injury, knee injury, same, I'll suggest take your doctor's advice before trying this posture. Now, for those who have the high blood pressure, I'll show you some modification. If you have too much stiffness in your neck, or if you have any pain here or high blood pressure, I'll show you some modifications. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting, I'll show you some warm up, okay, because it is very much necessary to make your body ready for the posture. Okay, so let's start. Keep your hands on your waist. Legs will be hip width apart, shoulder down. Put your hands on your waist. Now inhale. Look at the right side slowly. Exhale straight. Inhale left. Exhale straight. Again. One more time. Inhale right. Exhale straight. Inhale left. Exhale straight. Inhale down slowly. Exhale straight. Inhale down. Try to bring your chin towards your chest here. And then straight. Inhale, look up slowly. Make sure that your shoulder is down. It's not this. Down. Up. And straight. Okay. Now hold your shoulders. Then what we'll do here, we'll internally rotate our arms. Okay. So inhale, exhale. So now we are doing externally rotations of our arms. Sorry, externally. Now we will be doing internal rotation. Inhale, bring it here, exhale, down, here, exhale, down. We can do 3 times. Now, inhale, right arm up, down. Inhale, left arm up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Bring your both hands forward. Same from shoulder, same at shoulder length, not down, not up. Just rotate your wrist, not the whole arm, because I have seen people are doing like this. This is wrong. Keep your hand fixed. and then just rotate your wrist. Okay, so 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then reverse. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Now spread your fingers. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now we'll do for the legs. Okay. Now inhale, right leg up, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 2, 3 times is fine. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. If you want to practice more, that is also well and good. And exhale, down. Now I have seen while doing this, people are losing their balance. Okay, so what you can do, hold, take the support of the wall, and then you can practice this. Okay, the next one, hold your palms. Now inhale up, exhale down. This is a good warm up for your hip. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now shift your body weight a little bit to the right side, mostly to the right side, so that you can do this movement nicely. Inhale up, exhale, rotate and down, up, rotate, down, up, rotate, down. Now if you feel again problem in the balance, you can same thing, take the support from the wall. Okay, and then you can do it. Other hand, keep it on your waist and then practice. Next one, we'll do for some stretches for the back. So let's do, and from here, from this posture, we'll start downward dog. Okay, what you do, in my earlier video I have uploaded for this one also. This is cat cow pose. So now inhale, look straight, shoulder, make sure, because lots of people, the shoulders are up like this. No, it's wrong. So shoulder down, hand will be same length from your shoulder, not here. Now inhale up, back is flat here. Now exhale, round. Hold that stretches. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, round your back. Look down. Release the back of the neck. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, straight. Now from here, we'll do downward dog. What you have to do, now you can keep your hand little bit forward. Okay, not exactly the same line, but a little bit forward to get more strength to do this posture. Okay, now inhale, both legs up. Okay, and try to press your chest down closer to the floor. Okay, so what you have to do, mostly your upper body or the navel, you try to bring it closer to the thigh. Now I'll show you, this is definitely a hard posture, but I'll show you how to do the modification. Now you can hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to do the normal breathing here. Now drop your knees. And from here, after you do one posture, one downward dog, and then you can sit in child pose. One more time, I'll show you from here. Inhale, lift your both legs up, press your heel down in the floor, try to press your chest down. Depending on your range of motions, you don't need to do anything forcefully. And upper body, so mostly you have to bring your upper body closer to the lower part of your body. And keep looking at your toes. You can keep your toes a little bit up if you want to get more strength here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale. You don't hold your breath, but while releasing the posture, focus on your exhalation. From here, I'm doing the child pose. You can sit in child pose for a few seconds, 20 seconds, and then you can release. Now here the modification I have seen some errors people do while doing this posture. Okay, so let me tell you clearly, because if we are not following the proper posture, then it is of no use to do this asana. Okay, to do any asana if our posture is not correct. So how to do that? Now while doing this asana, you should focus on my feet. So I'm dropping my heel on the floor. I hope you can see me on the floor. Okay, little bit stretch out. So on the floor. Okay. Now people mostly what happened, because of the tightness of their legs, they cannot keep their heels down. Okay, this is a problem, you know. So, but we can fix it. We can still practice this asana and get benefits of doing it. Okay, so how to do that? You can put a pillow, a flat pillow. Obviously, I don't have. I'm using this. Or you can roll, 3-4 towels, and then you can keep it in the floor. Now here what I'll do, if you can see this pillow. Now I'm doing this posture, inhale, both legs up. Now I'm keeping my heel on the pillow. Okay, so this is not floor, this is the pillow. Also, if you still feel your legs are hurting or tightness in the leg, or you're feeling any knee pain or back pain, you can bend your knees. So keep your heels on the pillow and bend your knees. Okay, this is the modification, you can do it. Now this is one mistake people do. It's not a mistake actually, it is so that you don't do too much, you don't create too much pressure on your leg, to do this posture, because doing forcefully anything is of no use. So that's why. Now the second thing, this is the mistake people do. So it's like round their back. See, round. The hands and feet are a little bit closer. So do not do that. Okay, this is the right distance. Now some people they do this. So this is kind of plank. This is not downward dog. So in the middle somewhere. Now if your legs are tied, I have already told you, you can bend your knees. You can place a pillow on the heel, under your heel, so you can practice this easily. Now this is for the people who have weak lower body strength. Sorry. Now who has weak upper body strength? So for them, how we can modify this? Now you keep pillow. Okay. So I'm using 2-3 pillows here. Now I'm doing this. Okay. So down our dog here. I'm resting my head here. You know, if you rest your head here, release your neck muscles, you feel that the upper body doesn't need to, forcefully to do this asana. So this is a good one. You can bend your knees if you want, but still you are getting the benefits of this, doing this. And for the blood pressure people who has the hypertension, they can also try like this. Okay, so this is the good one. You can use pillow, you can use towels or whatever. So the basic 2 places you can keep those things. One is to release the neck muscles, other is to for the tightness of the leg, you can use those towels, okay, or the pillow. So, and get the benefits. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you like it, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.